looking into Materialize CSS Footer. So the footer is another layout option on in our web page. The footer always sits at the bottom of the web page, showing some information like the contact and the address or the copyright. The footer shows so many information about the website or about the company that owns the website. So let's look into the footer with HTML. Let's do this. Materialize CSS Footer. Then add up our CSS link. The link should equal. The link should have a CSS / this, and then for our layout we first have the header. And after the header we have our main, if we could remember, and after the main we have the footer. So this is the three main layouts on our web page. So the header is supposed to contain our navigational link. So the main contains the main contents of the web page, like let's say we are running a blog. So this is where the blog post is supposed to be, and some other things. So within the main, we also have so many other sections within the main. We'll be specifically looking into the footer, the classes provided by the Materialize CSS to make a footer. So I think the class provided by Materialize should be page footer, and let's have a div container so that it will make the content to be centered. Then we can now style up our container. So let's take a look here. Footer. Okay. So you can see our footer is still up here. So let's make it to be sticky as well by adding something up here. Okay, so you can see I added the CSS styling provided by the Materialize. So the footer always has to sit on the end or the bottom of our web page. So assuming we added so many things in our main, so that means the footer will now go to the bottom. But using this styling provided by Materialize CSS, you could be able to make our footer to stick to the bottom. So let me add up H1 footer sheets, and let's add up something. Footer helps to hold more information about the web page or the company address or contact. So let's take a look at that. to footer to it, and these are the main content, and this is the footer. So let's start filling in something within the footer and see how it goes. Let me have a div with class of row, and for this I can also have a div.co.x4. So I want to divide it into three grids. So x4, let me copy this into two. Oops. Pull it down. So let's say we have our contact. Let me give it an h6 contact, and over here order h6 again. Let's say we want to have a other link. Maybe you can also from here visit other links to our web page, or also external links. You can also have a little about here, or site map, whatever we want to have here. Let me add an about, and add a P up here. I will hold our phone 090344. These are contact, and another P. I will also hold our address, hamburger state, and the other links will be the link tag, the AHREF tag too, so I can have other link where the master can have plenty of it. And then these are about. Let me add a lorem here. So and let's see. Okay, so you can see our footer is now sticked here. Contact. These are all about the contact. These are about the other links, and these about the other links, because we didn't add these links 1 and the links 2. Okay, so you can see the links, and these are about. So that's it all with the footer that Materialize provides for us. You can also restart the color, change the color here. Let's say the page footer, let the color be a teal. Let's check that. So you can also change the color and also the text color. And I'm missing something within the footer, so let me add the final one, which will be div.co.s12, which will take up everything. Copy. We have a copy symbol for HTML, if I remember. Copy. Okay, copy where the suits. So and then let's add a center align, and so you can see our footer is now okay. So that's guys with styling our footer. So whenever, bear it in mind, whenever you want to style whenever you want to add your footer, you don't have to be adding much styling. Just add a page footer, the color that you want, and then whichever thing that you want, whichever content that you want to be added to your footer, you can add it within the footer tag. So thanks guys for watching.